Hey everyone, today I'm going to share a short video on how to convert some amounts from numbers to words. So here is a file. I have prepared this file in Excel and I will be sharing the link for this file as well. Same can be changed, converted to a Google Sheet as well. I will share the link of both in the video. It's quite simple. What I have done over here, simple formulas combining the if and concatenate functions, and it can be used definitely for any language. If you are using English words, you can use these from 1 to 100, or if you have used like from Arabic or other different languages, whatever words for the numbers you want to bring in here, those will be translated, converted into the words. So it's slightly customizable also. The only thing that you need to do is to put an amount here. Once you enter, the amount will be converted to the words, like 12,345 only. It's mentioned like that. And if you will put 1012, like if you will put here an amount with decimals, those will also be reflected in the amount. 12,345 and 56 only. Now the additional things that you can put here, if I'm using US dollars, I can put the US dollars, and you see in the beginning, it will show you the US dollars. USD 12,356 and 56 only. So the decimal places, if I want to use the cents, I can put the cents and that will be added over here for the cents. But if you would like to add in words also, instead of saying US dollar in the beginning, you can put that also, and that will appear over here with this formula from W7. I have not hidden any formulas. You can put the amounts, you can check the formulas if you're good enough. You can figure out how I have done that, because the only purpose for this video and Excel file is to share how to make the things easier. Now, one more thing, you can use the same sheet in your Excel sheets also. Like as an example, if you are using in your format somewhere you have an invoice and somewhere you want to put that amount, it's quite easy. I'm assuming that you are putting the amount in numbers in your sheet. So what you need to do, keep in mind that this cell over here is C10. Let me increase the size here not to miss the thing. So C10, you want to put the amount here instead of in the sheet that's provided by me. How would you do that? In your sheet, you will put the amount here, let's say 12,356, or maybe even more than 12,000, 123,567, and you want to get the result here, words at this place. So what you will do, you will bring in here, connect it to the cell that's bringing the amount. Oh my bad. So what I will do here, I will put here equality sign, and then I will link it with the cell C9. Let's do that, C9, because the cells were merged. That's why it came with a big amount. Okay. Now, but the amount is reflected as different ones. So what I will do, this is the amount that I'm trying to link to my other sheet. So I will put here as a formula the number that I'm bringing it from. So now it will be converted into 123,567 only, and that same amount will be translated in your required sheet also. So let me know how helpful will it be for you to use the sheet in your Excel sheets. It's not hidden, nothing hidden, no formulas hidden, and no password protection. The file is yours for use. Thank you. Let me know how did it help you.